Hello friends, long time no see. I am back. Today's not a bee video though. Sorry I've been gone so long. Sorry I haven't posted any videos. Been really busy with the bees this year, and I just didn't turn on the camera. So I apologize for that. But it's been a great bee year. I'm up to 20 hives. I've harvested about 950 pounds of honey so far. And then with customer honey extraction, we've extracted over 3,000 pounds of honey so far this year. So it's been a great year. We've been having a great time. But why haven't I done any videos? Well, we took some vacation, went on a cruise up to Alaska and had a great time up there. Did a polar plunge in Icy Strait Point, which was a blast. Had a really good time. Walked in the Glacier Lake up in Juneau. Just a fabulous time. Had a great time up in Alaska. Getting back, just working bees, really. Did some, mostly just, my splits have exploded, my nukes have exploded. I put all my nukes into full hives now. Everybody is getting bulked up for fall. I don't think we're gonna get a fall nectar flow, really. It's been so dry the last month or so. I say that, and today it rained. But I don't think we'll have a nectar flow this fall like we've had in the past. So, that being said, I always leave lots of honey for the bees, and in the weaker hives, I am already starting to feed syrup to get them ready for winter. Done all my mite treatments. Bees are looking great. I will continue to test those as we get closer to the cold weather, make sure they're going into winter strong and healthy. And got some pictures and some short videos that we did another cutout yesterday, Jim and I. And so I'll get that up and posted here pretty soon as well. But that's kind of where I've been, what I've been doing. And then brings us to today's video. Several years ago, Frederick Dunn posted a video on a little laser engraver that he had gotten, and he was burning some of his boxes and wood into using the laser engraver. And I thought that was such a cool thing, and Fred was kind enough to reach into my pocket and spend my money. So I ordered the little laser, and I used it about 3 months, pretty much non-stop, lasering boxes and everything. I did my frame tops with my logo and with the year and with honeycomb and you name it. I was lasering everything. That laser lasted about 3 months. So I contacted Amazon. They were kind enough to refund my money. I sent the laser back to them, and I upgraded, went and got a bigger laser. I want to say the one I upgraded to was about a 3 watt or so laser, and worked really good for what I was using it for. Same thing, I was doing my laser, I was laser engraving my logo into my boxes, my hive boxes, into my frame tops, and doing little artsy things for Christmas presents and that kind of stuff. It was just an all-around really nice, inexpensive laser. But the drawbacks were you could only use their software, you couldn't use third-party software, and I couldn't use my Mac, I had to use a PC. So that was limiting on some of the stuff that I could do. And then Laser Engraving with Matt did a video, and Matt has really high-end, I think they're called CO2 lasers. They're real, I mean, $10,000 machine kind of things, that he does a full-time business doing laser engraving. But he did a review on the XTool D1, and he was so excited about it because he said, you know, this would have been around when he first started. He'd have probably got one of these as a starter laser, just to get going. And he was super excited about it, super animated. And if you've ever seen any of Matt's videos, he's always super animated. But he was extremely excited about the XTool. So I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. And he had a discount code. And then, but I waited a little bit. I wanted to see more stuff on it. And then a gentleman by the name of Clack, who has the Clack Shack, YouTube channel. He did an XTool review, XTool D1 review, and also just great things. And he actually has the original XTool 10 watt, and then he also upgraded and got the XTool Pro, XTool D1 Pro, which is a 20 watt laser, and he was talking a lot about that. So that's what I ended up doing. I ordered myself an XTool D1 Pro and got the 20 watt laser, which is, I'll show you pictures, but my 3 watt laser is about that big square, and the 20 watt laser is about that big square. So I mean, it's a huge difference. So I'm excited to see how that works. So today is basically an unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video, but I thought I'd show you guys what I got, and then I'll put it together in this video, and then the next video I'll probably start laser engraving some stuff, just some basic stuff, using new software, getting to know the machine a little bit. So that's kind of what I've been doing. Thanks for everybody that reached out and asked where I'm at and if everything's okay and all that good stuff. I appreciate all the people reaching out. I'm great, everything's fine, and I'm back. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you like videos like this. It's not my norm. I usually stay focused on the bees, but as we're winding down the bee season, this is probably what I'm going to be doing during the winter, getting ready for next year. So thanks for coming along. Glad to see you all, and hope you enjoy the video. So as I get ready here, the XTool D1 Pro came all together with the laser engraver, the air assist, the rotary tool, and 8 risers for the legs to lift it up if I want to get something bigger underneath, which is pretty impressive. This laser dwarfs my previous laser. Can almost fit my current laser inside this one when it's all together. I was blown away, and this thing is got some serious substance to it. It is not light, really heavy duty packaging. Awesome construction is amazing. So inside I had these 2 green little boxes. One was full of test material, so that was a little aluminum sheet, and I had a cork and some little like dog tags and different things to test the laser on, which is pretty cool that it came with that. So what I'm looking at here is the inventory sheet. This shows everything that was shipped in this box, to include screws, driver bits, Allen wrenches, all the rails, everything to put this thing together. I really am taking it all in. I was so darn impressed with the quality of this that I was just looking at everything as I pulled it out of the box. Silver package there was the laser, and this little green box was actually a little tool kit was in there, and then this was the case for the eye protection, dark lenses in its own case. It's very well done. As I put the laser together, I had gotten my little square there to make sure before I tightened everything up that all of the rails were square to each other, and I didn't need to bring the square out. Everything, as soon as I slid it together and put a screw in, it was square. I mean, the machine quality of this awesome tool is phenomenal. How precise everything went together. It was very cool. I loved it. I guess I should have mentioned at the very beginning of this video that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this XTool D1 Pro outright with my own funds. I did reach out to them to see, because they had done a live video and said they would send things to people and sponsor them, but I'm a small YouTube channel. They weren't impressed. So I bought it with my own money. I did get a discount because I used Laser Engraving with Matt's discount code, and that worked out rather nicely. But I did purchase this thing all on my own. XTool has no anything to do with anything I say about it. I just purchased it based on the research I did and reviews that I had seen from other YouTubers, and having used it now for a bit, this thing is absolutely incredible. I think total time putting this together was about between 35 and 45 minutes. Um, Probably could have done it a little faster, but I was playing with the camera, getting my angles so the video would come out relatively good. As you can see, the cats were extremely interested, so I had to shoo them away every once in a while. And of course, I had to edit all that out. But the real total time on this guy was less than an hour putting this all together. It was really pretty straightforward. The instructions were spot on. I mean, they were great. I had no issues with putting anything together on this guy. Just a hoot to do. I mean, really. And loved the engineering of this thing, how precise everything went together. I can't state that enough. It was just phenomenal. Appreciate everyone stopping by to
watched this little unboxing and setup video. Stay tuned for the next video where I will actually put this guy to use and start cutting some wood. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.
So this is the finished XTool D1 Pro 20 watt laser, and I just set it next to my previous laser, my current laser if you will. And if you look, I mean, this one can almost fit inside the frame of the D1, but look at the size difference of the laser. Look at this guy. That's about 1.1 1/8 square maybe, and then we're just gonna slide straight over. Look at the size of that beast. It's almost 2.5, 3 inches. It's crazy big. So I'm excited to get busy.